Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will use the concept of discriminant to solve this problem. We have to find the discriminant to determine the number and nature of roots of this given equation. Now as you can see, this given equation is in standard form, and we know in order to find the discriminant, we need the equation in standard form. Discriminant only tells us the number and nature of roots of a quadratic equation. It doesn't tell us the exact value of those roots. So let's start with the formula. The formula for discriminant of a quadratic equation is b squared minus 4ac. A represents the coefficient of the x squared term. In this equation, there is no number with x squared, so there is an invisible 1 there. So the a value is equal to 1. B is the coefficient of the x term. In this case, the number with x is 6, so that's the b value. The number term, and that's the c value. Now we have to use these values in our discriminant formula to calculate the discriminant value. So b is 6, so 6 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is 9. We can use order of operations to evaluate this expression. So 6 squared is 36. And now we can do the multiplication in this term. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 9 is 36. The discriminant value is equal to 0. So this is the value of the discriminant we got, and now we have to interpret this value to find the number and nature of roots. Now for that, there are some rules you have to understand and memorize. Now if the discriminant is greater than 0, there are two real roots. And if the discriminant is equal to 0, there is one real root. And if the discriminant is less than 0, there are two imaginary roots. So we have to use these rules to identify the answer for this situation. Now here we got the discriminant is equal to 0. So we can conclude that this equation has one real root. So we can write the given equation has one real root. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.